Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials.
Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro or VMware Workstation Full in your host machine. Now, we already have downloaded it, and it's again in the downloads folder, and there you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize everything. Okay, so let me minimize everything and then just click on that specific file explorer and then double click on this specific executable file. Now this is user account control. I'm going to just click on yes, and now it's preparing VMware Workstation for installation. So after waiting for a while, you get this specific pop-up window. Welcome to VMware Workstation Pro Setup Wizard. I'm going to just click on next and then accept the license agreement. Just check it and then just click on next, and then compatible setup, I'm going to just click on next. This is the folder where the VMware Workstation is going to be installed. This is the path or the location. If you want to change it to another drive or let's say another storage, you can just click on change. But as of now, I'm going to stick with the default. I'm going to just click on next. And then if you want it for, let's say, updates from the VMware, and you can also join the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. If you kind of face some kind of issue over here, you can just send those informations directly to the VMware and they're going to resolve it. So normally what I do is I uncheck it, but as of now it's the basic installation. I'm going to let it be as the default selection and then just click on next. Here it's going to create shortcuts on desktop, and then it's going to again create an icon on the start menu. So I'm going to just click on next, and ready to install VMware Workstation Pro, I'm going to just click on install. So it may take a bit copying all new files. So it's done. It almost takes around 1 to 2 minutes to complete the installation, and we are done with the installation. I'm going to just click on finish, and then I'm going to close this window, and now you can see our VMware Workstation Pro is installed successfully in this machine. If I'm going to double click on it, it's going to open up this interface. So this is the VMware Workstation Pro interface, and I will teach you later on how to create virtual machines where you can install operating systems. So this is it in this video. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.